Okay, and I'm back again. I need to figure out a better angle, but I thought I would give you guys a better close-up. I found some sides and some edges that needed touching up. This is that blue part that I thought was so cool. Even the black has little cell babies in it. What's that, huh? Is that something eating a piece of peacock pearl? It's very silly. But then it looks like stuff starting to come up in the solid, starting to sink a little bit. I think all in all, it's a good one. It's abstract, but yet it has its center. Okay, there's the close-up. Sorry about the heartbeats and everything in the video. I'll work too. I think it's probably because I'm using this black tray because I've been trying to save skin, so figure something out to hopefully eradicate that. Thanks for watching again. Bye.